Hey everyone, Joe here. Welcome to the channel. Just wanted to do a quick little video today. Going to be doing a little bit of repair on my driveway. So the stone that I used on my driveway is it's called a 21 AA limestone. Works really well. Compacts real nice and tight. Makes for a really nice driveway. The size of the stone is like from 1 inch all the way down to dust, and that's the only problem I have here. You can see my driveway is at a little bit of a hill, and what happens during a good rainstorm is that the fines tend to come down here and accumulate down here at the bottom of the hill. And it just ends up getting a little mucky, and when you drive through it, just tends to stick to the tires and brings all that up into the garage. So eventually I'd like to bring in a couple loads of stone and kind of create a little better crown over here. But today we're just going to kind of do just a quick fix. I'm going to go grab probably about a yard of limestone. And I'm going to grab some of the what's called this number 6 limestone, and that is like 1 inch down to like a 3/8 diameter stone, so no fines in it. And we'll kind of mix it in here a little bit. Should help out. Alright, there we go. Now the fun part. Well, now you show up. Where were you earlier? Could have used your help. All right, a few hours later, we're all done. Looking pretty good. I like it. So anyway, appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and we'll catch you on the next one.